Welcome back, travelers. Senpai Ken here. Today, we will be going out with a follower. Wait, where you going? Out with it. So today, we will be going out with Freya Greymane.
It's always good to see someone like you counted.
Same here, same here. Follow me.
Waste any time.
Let's not waste any time. I hope you can handle this. We will be clearing out Blizzard Rest. Here we go, guys. I don't know if she can handle this. I think she was heading home. And then we are just going to throw 3 giants at her. I'm counting on you. Huh? Oh, she hits so hard. What is going on? Broad and sword. Oh! One down, one down. Oh, the second one's almost dead. Wait. The first one was not dead. Thought it was dead. Wait, what? Was that just a bash? I think her shield bash is just crazy strong. Her shield is spiky. Yeah, let us get going. Okay. Expert chest. Let's unlock this. Arrow, 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 arrow. Gold. Sapphire. Potion of ultimate healing. I'll take that. Dragonborn mace. I don't think she wants that. You know, I like to just go with whatever default gear that they have. And she looks pretty fantastic too. Alright. She's pretty powerful, I gotta say. Yep. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Senpai out.